Hi, I'm Chef Zam. This is a Malay heritage cooking recipes which I'm going to be sharing with you over the next few months. Brought to you by Bosch, and let's cook like a Bosch. Okay, in this episode, I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple yet delicious recipe that has become one of the favorites of Malaysians. Apa benda? Kek pisang. Banana cake. Senang je. Sometimes when we buy bananas, we cannot finish the whole comb. What you can do is you can turn it around, or what I usually do is I peel them off and I just keep them in the freezer, and whenever I want to make chokodok, whenever I want to make cake pisang, I just take them out like so. Look, very ugly, but look at that. Look at the juice. What I need, I forgot to introduce you this. This is MUM5 by Bosch. This is actually a cake mixer. Not only a cake mixer, it is a kitchen machine. It comes together with a weighing scale, meaning you do not have to use the scale separately. I need 205 grams of ripened banana. Letak satu, 55 grams. Another one, 120 grams. 3 biji, 165 grams. 4 biji, 215 grams. Kira halal lah. The recipe calls for only 205. Kira halal lah. The recipe calls for 200 grams of kastor sugar ataupun granulated sugar. But I don't want to use it all because my bananas are already very ripe. So, jangan banyak sangat. Tear it back to zero. I'm just going to add in 180 grams. Cukup lah. Tak mau makan manis-manis sangat. Nak puasa, nak raya ni kan. 180 ngam-ngam. Okay. I reduce the sugar amount by 20 grams. Look at that. Look at how well it does. It scrapes all the sides of the bowl so that your mixture is rata. This is a very simple recipe, not a no-brainer recipe. Nah, semua hentam je masuk sekaligus. Senang. You're not so ordinary vanilla Madagascar Maritau. Okay, letak sikit. And I'm gonna need 225 grams of flour. Lagi 5 to go. 3 grams of baking soda. 7 grams of baking powder. Give it a good stir. I need 100 milliliters of fresh milk. 100 grams, 100 ml, hantarlah. Bila masuk liquid, make sure you turn it down to the lower speed dulu. Supaya you don't mandi dengan cake batter. Then to that, we add in 75 grams of corn oil ke minyak kelapa dara ke nak. Kalau tak ada minyak kelapa sawit pun boleh. 80 pula, tak apalah lantak. Look at the paddle scraping the sides of the bowl so that you do not have to stop the machine and start scraping yourself. Do not waste time. Why? Because time is money. Get smart with Bosch Kitchen Machine. So kita letak je lah kurma. Add extra goodness. Tengok. Okay, it's ready. Then take the batter out. Look at that. Sedapnya. This is all well mixed. Look at that. And to make it more special, I'm going to make some coconut crumble as a topping. Sedap, I tell you. So, letaklah your desiccated coconut. You suka yang halus. Brown sugar. And chilled butter. Hand blender. Dah. Kita letaklah some garam kasar. You just tabur on top. Remember, this crumble is also sweet. So it is very important for me lah to reduce the amount of sugar in the recipe. Okay, let's bake the banana cake. Ooh. And one tiny one for my cat. Okay. I cook it at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes until it's perfectly done. Okay, the cake, I think, look at that. It comes out clean, meaning it's done. Gorgeous!